Okay, how is the sound right now? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you guys for the support. I apologize, we had some kind of technical problem with the sound. And thank you, Ron. Thank you, Jafad. Dion, thank you, sir. Okay, so we all good? Okay, Ron, thank you. Once we cross this NASDAQ, we are this Fib line at 82.1825. We can set the target to 21.25 and leave the second one runner. Again, we apologize. We had a sound problem when we started. This is the automated trading zone. We are using a smaller time frame today. If we are breaking that level on 82.1825, we are going climbing to 82.21. There we go. We are climbing to the 82.21 NASDAQ. For the Russell traders, scalping Russell traders, we are coming to the fib line at 15.94.6, target on 15.94.9. For the 30-year Treasury bond, for the scalping, we are hitting the second target at 156.12. You can break even, like what we showed you yesterday. Free ride. We are on a free ride with the Nasdaq as well. There is a new signal on the Russell with the swing trade and buy at 15.94.6, target 15.95.9. If we break in the Russell on 15.94.6, we'll target 15.95. Target hit. Get it out of the way. We are on a free ride with the Russell. We don't care which direction is going. And this one here, we can go under, right under the projection, take a little bit out of it, and we are making a bet. There is a double projection, so there is no way that market is going to break those double projection. So we put the first target 82.21. If we break it, it's 82.2675. On the black one, we are using the zone automated trade for the ones who have the subscription on the even if you are a full member, you have to have a subscription for the zone. With an automated trade. sorry, if we break even immediately, because right now is only 914. Those are coming from the scalper, and they are already hitting the target, but I extended the timing on it on purpose. But hoping, because it's 914, maybe we're gonna go farther than this, and then we can turn the scalper to monster trade, So now the swing trading start kicking in, the swing trading and taking a short. It seems like we are about to have a negative open today. They're both a break even, so I'm not worried. It's a free ride. I'm not worried about it. So this trade is not costing us anything anymore. Target hit on the ES, as you see from the scalper. Target hit on the, this is a scalper, okay? This is a swing trade in the left corner is a swing trade in. This is a scalping, which because we're coming now very soon to those holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and everything, you will be grateful to have a scalper, and so you can swing trade or scalp. And if the market is trending, you can extend the target and turn your scalp into swing trading. As you see here on the NASDAQ, already hit the target. It says 82.11 the target, and it hit the target. But what I have done, I have extended the targets a little bit, because it is finished on the YM. Okay, it is if the market decided to drop because of the time in 917, we're gonna have a monster trade here, and it will be the trade for today. What I notice also, guys, your zone, if you have the subscription for the zones, they are working superb on even the smaller time frame. They are amazingly accurate, even on a very small time frame. If we look at the NASDAQ, where is the double support at 82, I will share that template if you want to on Monday. For the customers, we can share this template. It is really nice to put those lines on the scalpers, and as you see, it is giving you a little bit over the edge what's going on, and it is like right now, it's telling you where is the next level. If we break that level, it will be 81.97. That's superb. And then what it does, I can increase my target to the next support line. So this is it is an amazing, very accurate on the scalper, and target hit on both of them. But we're gonna try to extend it a little bit, see, because now it's 19. If we can break the 3080 on the ES, and if we can break that line here on 8208 on NASDAQ, that will be very good potential to drop all the way to 81.97. With the ES, it will be very good potential if we break the 3080 to go to the 78 level. Again, guys, this is a scalping, not swing trading. Here, the white ones are scalping. It's not. One thing I have done on this one here is we're both now on the NASDAQ and ES. You need to start getting your brain to this one, that we broke even, so we're not interested in, and your trailing stops is a fib, okay? So if this market come back, there is two options. Look at this accuracy. It hit the target. It tell you the system where the target is. Up to you to take it from here, or if you want to drag it to the next level. This is up to you. But it delivered around $200 on that trade, and now it's climbing to the resistance line. And this is the name of the game. You either want to get out at the maximize, or if you want to take your chances that this market is going to, um, kick back from the fib line. And look at this. Look at this. The Nasdaq stopped right at your trailing stop. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and it did not knock out your trade. This is what I love about it. Look at this. And now we are back. Look at this. It came in right at your trailing stop and stopped dropping. I mean, this is really beautiful. Really nice. I like it. Again, guys, on the scalper, try to break even as soon as possible and let it be. You don't need to. And if you decide you want to exit, you just drag your trailing stop and knock out of that trade, at the maximize when the system estimate where is your target. And the target delivered on the NASDAQ and the ES at the same time. Very powerful, clean, and it does not require a headache. Optimization, back testing, forward testing. It is just turn on, turn off. If you cannot do that, you cannot trade anymore. You're done. I took one of the trades out on the NASDAQ. That's fine. I mean, we have not even started. The market has not opened. As you notice, we made money on the CL, NASDAQ, ES, and 30-year Treasury bond. They all did well. And now even the market has not opened yet. And there we go. You see, we got knocked out of one trailing stop, and we still on the major trailing stop, and we took some of the profit, and now we are going back to test the 8202. Lovely. Clean, effective, powerful. That's what it is. And when there is a swing trading, signals come out, we will be notified, or the auto trade will start taking the trade. On the NASDAQ, I'm concerned there is a double support area at 8208.75, 8208.25. So if we break that area here, we are going all the way down to 81.94. With the ES, if we break the 3080, we are going straight down to the 3078, which is not bad at all. For scalping, it's not bad at all. I'm so glad it's Friday today. Now we're getting close to the opening, and the Forex is still. I'll try my best on next week to share the Forex, the stocks, but I have not made up my mind because there is no room to share one monitor. I have not made up my mind if I wanted to share the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones, the basic ones. NASDAQ, there is so many stocks on NASDAQ, and maybe we'll only use the Dow Jones stocks, which it helped because also it is nice to see the stocks movement that have an impact on your future trades as well. So I have not made up my mind which stocks I'm gonna be sharing with, but we will try to find in corner somewhere to use the stocks as well. Uh, Change signals on the NASDAQ. And now we are 5 minutes for the opening. I strongly recommend to hold off your trades until the market's open. And if you want to follow the signals, you're very welcome to follow the signal on the first column. It's going to tell you your new signal direction. And on the scalping, it's going to tell you your new signal direction. Okay, we have 5 minutes for markets open. All hands off at the moment. And we'll resume when the markets open. Thank you. For the Russell, you can see we have a double resistance on the Russell at 94.6. You gotta be careful with that one. And again, the white charts are following the scalper, the one on the right corner, and then the swing trading is on the left corner. And the problem is with the Russell is 1594.6. And then what we do, we take this one here up, cover ourselves with it. And on the ES, we have also resistance at 30.84. So what we do, we cover ourselves, break even, free right. And NASDAQ doing very, very well on the NASDAQ. So if we are breaking the Russell on 94, we are looking for 95.6. Again, those white charts coming from the scalper and the blue charts coming from the swing trading from the left corner of the market analyzer. Now we just have a new signal on the ES with the swing trading, but we are already in a trade with the scalpers. We have an earlier prediction in that. This is a very major resistance on the NASDAQ, which I doubt it if it's going to able to break that area here, because the target is at 835.50. And if we notice here on the NASDAQ, we have the reversal just fired, and there is a lot of resistance here. So let's see if we are able to break it. I doubt it very seriously able to break this area. If you are in the NASDAQ trade, it's time to start locking your profit and exiting, please. We do not call the trades coming from the market analyzer on the first column. It tells you where is the signal and where is the entry and where is the target. As we see, there is a reversal. Our reversals are not repaint reversal, and this is a heavy resistance at 82.36. I doubt it very seriously to able to break that area here, but if we do, we are climbing all the way to the 82.44.75. And if we keep our eye on the ES, if we are breaking the 30.84, that is going to help with it's going to help with the Russell and the NASDAQ a lot. The NASDAQ is trying to test and break the 82.34.50. There's a double resistance. You know, to our traders, I will share the template with you on Monday for private webinars to our traders. And it's doing extremely well, and it is giving us a lot of information when we add the zone on in there. And it's given us exactly where to exit if we want to extend the target. We don't want it to just the system enter and exit. We are able to as you notice on the NASDAQ, we start having a lot of reversal firing up, and there is a heavy resistance at this area with the NASDAQ. So I'm not sure we are able to break this NASDAQ, so strongly advise. I don't know if you are following, some of you are following the swing trading or the scalping, but it is time to exit from the NASDAQ. ES trader, Look at this accuracy is right on to the tick. 3084 is your fib line. And there we go. Because of the, also when you put in those charts, you can see the ES with, and that is gonna make a very good decision how to trade. And there we go. We have broke the 3084 on the ES, and we climb into the 3086. On the Russell, we are going to close at 1597. NASDAQ is, you can see how the NASDAQ has become one line. The party is over on the NASDAQ because of this heavy resistance at 82.35 and right at the target. So the system estimated, and then giving you 3 signals reversal. So that's me telling you, hey buddy, wake up and close your trade. Okay, we have also the YM jump on the wagon with the trade, and the CL is going to break that area here. If we are breaking that area on the CL, we are in a good shape. On the 56.27, the CL, if we break it, we are very good on that one here. For the Forex, we have a new signal. You can follow it. NASDAQ is finished. Okay, the ES is broke that 3084, going to 85.50, maximize target to 3087.75. This is it. On this one here, seems like the market is sinking again, and then we break it even. I love it. Beautiful on the, we're gonna go ahead and extend the target. We close it with the ES. Target hit on the Russell, and the NASDAQ is trying. I'm not sure the NASDAQ able to break this area here. It is a heavy area. Now I'm relaxed. Every trade is above the entry, so we're not worried about it. A break even on all of them is a free ride on all of them. I don't care what happened anymore. For the swing trading, sorry guys, for the swing trading, we have a re-entry short here, 30.85. Once we exit that one, your target on the swing trading 30.88 level, 88 level. Okay, all right. So this is a problem, 30.85 on the ES. For the ones follow the NASDAQ on the swing trading, we still have a problem like what I have said, resistant. I don't need to repeat myself on this one here. And beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Nice. As we see, the Russell is struggling with the 97.9. But I have a break even, so I can make it as a runner if I want to and take my chances, or I can close it if I want to close it. But this is $600, all right? $200, $450. And YM, we are done with the YM. Fine. NASDAQ is on one straight line, as we see. Because of those resistance, we have 3 bumpers here. And we took a profit on one of the ES. And if we want to, we can close the ES. We can leave it. It's up to you. And we're about to we close one of the trades on the NASDAQ. We only have one as a runner. Beautiful. And we closed one of the ES. And now we are closing all of them. Beautiful run. What is nice about it, we are trading on the fib lines, trailing stops, fib lines, floor and fibs. And when the market pulled back, you take some of the profit. If the market keep pulling back, you close with a profit. If the market goes up, you increase your profit. Either direction, we're going to nail that market. But the beautiful prediction on the NASDAQ, and this is where you can, where we told you to close position. This is a beautiful entry, exit on this one. For the re-entry, we are not into the short. We still have a re-entry at 22.25 if the market go down to the numbers. And there we go. It's trying to run one more time. You will be using a lot of scalping between Thanksgiving and New Year Eve. You will be using a lot of scalping. You cannot swing trade that much doing those holidays and everyone low volume. You cannot swing trade doing this summertime, Christmas time, around the Christmas. You cannot. So you will have pleasure Christmas, nice Christmas, if you can scalp the market in the same time. When we see the market trending, we can pull the bigger gun for that. immediate target hit when the market moved, and I wasn't paying attention. It seems like there is something spooked the market, but I have not read everything. And we have also the ES. And how hard it is to trade this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm hammered with messages. I will, guys, just give me a second. What is nice is you let the Autotrade take the trades and you manage it. There we go. It makes a lot of difference with the fibs on your charts. And let's look at the swing trading. Beautiful. Yep. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put the ES with the scalping and swing trading. I mean, there is only one chart, one screen we can share. I don't know how to do this, but we can. Oh, never mind. We can go like this. We can manage those trades on the CL. We have a double resistance at 55.90, so we can drag him in case if the market surprised us. And we still have one trade here, let it be. We can drag the Russell all the way to the 92 level if you want to. This one here extended the target, so you can use a full automated or you can use the ATM, but for me, I love ATM. I don't like full automated. On the swing trade and automated trades is really kicking the market in. Very nice. And let's see on the scalper. I'm enjoying my scalper. Let me see. Okay, we're done with the ES. Thank you very much. We still have this ES, the swing trading, and the CL we're about to break. You see where I put the trend stop because of this double resistance, and it makes a lot of difference when you're scalping and you have the zone subscription. It tells you exactly where to put your trade. Very nice way to manage your trades. And you can leave them at the target where the system tell you need to exit. The system is already plot the target, but you can fuzzle with it, and I do. But the system already hit the targets. But I was expecting to go a little bit farther down. And look at this one. This is a mistake by me because this is a double support area. I should have put it right there and get it over with. Okay. Now we are closing the NASDAQ. And the ES already, let's take a chance on the ES, making a bet that it's going to break the 89.9. That will be nice. Beautiful, clean chart. You are in charge with the trade. And it is stress-free. No optimization. Turn on and off. This is what is nice about it. Okay, sold. Okay, great. Now we have I'm gonna put it there and leave it alone on the swing trading. And let's see what the NASDAQ have for us. If the ES break the 1589.9, we're going straight down to 1584.2. That will be very nice weekend. A lot of burgers. Let's see if this Russell will break the 1589. And the ES on the swing trading is struggling with the 3075. If we break it, we have another problem at 3074. So the ES is really struggling market. And the Russell, if it's gonna break this one here, 91.7, is finished. And on the NASDAQ, let's see. We are down to the last tick. Firing on the last tick. And Okay. I will try to start sharing the stocks next week. We have everything, but I have not had time to get into it. On the Forex, we are 79 pips. Change in signal on the Russell. And we closed NASDAQ. It was a beautiful run. Absolutely enjoyable. And it is nice. And now the Russell start going long. What you need to do, just sit down, have a nice glass of beer, and roll it. Beautiful. And what is nice about it now, I can see there is a double resistance coming, so I will cover my back immediately because I'm scared from this double resistance. At least you know you are on free ride here, and it's not costing you anything to be in that trade. Beautiful. Okay, it's coming to the resistance line, the 95. Oops, sorry. There we go. We come into this double resistance, and then the 95.6. If we break it, that means we're another run with that. If it's not, you can go ahead and pick up your $100 out of the 120, 150 out of it, and kiss it goodbye. So it is the 95.6 is the key here. We're fighting on a tick, and it is struggling. We need to see the 95.6. Try to break the 5.6. Will be nice. Come on, baby. Okay, 95.6. There we go. We need 96.2. There we go. Come on. Push it. We need Vito to blow on it. Yeah. What is Vito? Okay, 96. We are breaking it. Oh, come on. Stop at 96.2. Resistance line. There we go. 9. 9. Okay, let me see. You see, they are extremely powerful, those fibs, and we come in, and sometimes the greed. On the ES, you got it, buddy. On the ES, is this from the entry signal buy 79, 30, 84. is struggling on the 30, 80, 50. The whole day we've been struggling with the 30, 80, 50. So this is the story on the ES. It's right there in front of you, 30, 80, 50. It has been the whole morning. The 38.50 has been a puzzle. So, and if the ES is not able to break the 30, 80, 50, this one is sinking. Okay, there we go, close. Let's see. Okay, at least take $100 out of it. Don't let it die on you. And it's going to retest it. Okay, the same story on the NASDAQ. We have this, we are coming to the double resistance at 82.20 and 82.21. I'm not sure the NASDAQ will able to break those double. Every time you see double resistance, you have a problem, you know. And actually, they are very good for reversal, but I don't want to confuse the trades right now. I don't want to dig into the resistance and reversals. But on the NASDAQ, we have 82.21, 82.20. There is a double resistance here. It's going to be a problem on the NASDAQ. This one here, okay. ES finally broke the double resistance. I'm sorry, yeah, the double. There is a double resistance there. And it's not going to do it. So what we do, we're going to lock a little bit more. And oh, that will be nice if the Russell can break that 96.2. Has not been able to break it. So we increased a little bit. And ES. There we go. We have a lift off on an ES. That is gonna really make us breathe a little bit. And boy, this tough area here on the ES. There we go. There we go. Thank you. And we're gonna break even immediately on the YM. All the signals are here, guys, on the market analyzer. We're not generating anything. The Autotrade is taking those trades. Take this one out. Oh boy, I don't have time to do. Okay. All right. You see, it's right at the resistance 76.05. It's extreme accurate lines. Oh boy. Break even. And this one here, we're going to increase it all the way to the 95. And we want to close it. I'm going to take it to the next level. 96.2. And we are out on all of them. Good. Sold. Thank you. Very nice run to the downside and nice run to the up. And we wait the next round. Finally, the Nasdaq broke that area. But you know what? It's not going to make it this Nasdaq because there is a heavy resistance at 18, 25, and 20. I doubt it very seriously. Look, you see? This is what we have said half an hour ago on this one here. So I'm not, when you see that, just cover yourself immediately and leave it. I mean, of course, you can do the full automated trade, but this is beautiful. It's not hard to do. When you see there is a triple resistance in there, you know, you just cover it. At least now you know you are on a free ride with it. If the market goes up, the market goes up. If the market don't, that's fine. That's very fine. But at least you're done with it, you know. And there we go. You know, there is always something to do with this scalping. It is really, there we go. If we break the 82.21, we are going all the way to the 82.31. This is really something. There we go. Another beautiful trade. and there is a resistance at double resistance at 36.25. We take it 1 inch more. You know, we are a human. We like a greed, and that's how it is. We like a little greed here and there, and so the system estimated 33.25. We put it 35.75 because of those double resistance. I will share those templates with you on Monday. Today is a Friday. Let's see. Well, we broke even on the NASDAQ. You can close it at 300, or you want to take your chances, you can take your chances. That is your call. It's not my call. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Let me catch up on all your messages. Mr. Lorenzo, greed is good, right? Well, sometimes it's good. There is somebody said, can you put the YouTube on a high resolution? It is on a high resolution, but on the bottom left corner of your YouTube, there is a button, look like a nut. If you click on it, you can increase your quality video to the... Let's see, anything to chew on. Thank you, Jimmy. It is making a Jim. It is making a lot of difference, and I'm not trying to brag here, but I'm shocked how accurate those fib lines, even on a small time frame, is giving you exactly what's going on in the market. That's why, guys, I said it's not about promotion, but I don't know how anyone cannot trade or can trade futures without accurate fibs. There's a plenty fibs out there, but which one is accurate? And this is, without the fibs, you're lost. A good fibs, not just lines. Okay, so let's see it. We are 2250, climbing to 823.75. And thank you, Lorenzo. You know, we have one gentleman from California, and he's one of our customers, are very accurate. your fibs, and I couldn't imagine trading without them. Honestly, Lorenzo, if there is no fibs, I will not even turn on my computer in the morning. Very nice and slow. This one is climbing. And beautiful. We nailed money on the way up, and then we nailed money on the way down, and then on the way up. And now I'm getting hungry with a nice steak and a glass of wine. That will do it. Friday. Beautiful trade. Absolutely clean, clear. Oh, yeah. And now the system recalculated. If you see it, Lorenzo, on your chart, now it is calculated to the, no, the ES is going down again. That is going to ruin the fun on the NASDAQ. That is going to ruin the fun on the NASDAQ. The ES starts sinking. Mr. 007 here. And it's going to knock us out of those trades on the NASDAQ. That's life. Nope. Okay. In those cases, guys, you can take your profit right here at 82.35 because this double resistance, or if you want to, you can yes, it's going to the 30.84 on the ES. You have a resistance at 30.84. Yes, sir. And there we go. Let's see if we can break the high in there. And 28.75. because of the ES, Mr. 007 here, we're going to be knocked out of this fund on this NASDAQ. Well, we're probably going to get one out and keep the second one because there is a support area. Again, 30, 80, 50. Today, 30, 80, 50. Every time I close my eye, I'm thinking about 30, 80, 50. It has been the key on the ES all day long. And then followed by a double support area at 30, 78, 25. So this is a buying place right there. 30, 78, 25. This is a buying area, or you can take it one tick above to make it a little bit even. 30, 78, 50. This is a buying area actually, and again, 308050. Again, the same number all day long. We've been dealing with that number. I'm bored with that number. Okay.
2100. Og så, okay, skal jeg skrive fortune text?
I love it. The way we have predicted the NASDAQ on a double resistance, so we know when to maximize our profit. And when the market came and got you out of one trade, and look how beautiful it is. The floor and fib support line hold that trade for you, and it is absolutely a beautiful trade, and you are one step ahead knowing what's going on. Problem with the ES. Why we have a problem with the ES? If you because of this 3085, again 3085, there is a re-entry point right there and a resistance at 8375. So let's see if we are breaking the, you see, you are protected on the trailing stop, and the trailing stop is 82.29. You are totally protected. It's a total different advanced trading. Okay. Okay, if we are breaking this 97 level on the Russell, we're going straight down to 1596.1. Now it's 11 o'clock. I can drag this one a bit. And now we are on a free ride with this one here as well. And you can close it at 998, or you can leave it plus one tick. I love this NASDAQ breaking this 82.36. That will be really nice. Okay, we're done with that one. And we are done with the 30-year Treasury bond. Hit the target. On this one is going to fly to that Russell is on. And YM. There we go. Let's take it a little bit more. CL. We can grab a little bit more than that on the CL. We can go on 56.68. And we can do that. We can overwrite the auto trade. And on the scalper, now it's given us 82.45. I love it. I love it. It's nice. Oh, man. After we hit the target 2 on the NASDAQ, there is nothing left. Nothing left for today until 12. So there we go. They're all set beautifully. And let's see if this NASDAQ gonna break this 44.75. That will mean a lot. The 44.50, it has been a problem. I love to see the NASDAQ breaking the 44.50. Here we go. Come to daddy. And Look at this, Jim. Look at this, my friend. Look at this. Look at that. To the tick. Whew. We're hoping we break that area. You know, let's try the 56.89 on the CL. If I don't think so, it's going to break the 56.69. But let's push our luck. Today is Friday. This one a breaking even. Done. It's not gonna break the. Look at this. Look at this. It's right to the down to the tick. This is what can maximize your profit, or you calculate it. If you want to exit, you can exit and much higher profit. Okay. That support line has been holding for over half an hour. Let's see if it's going to break that one. Look at this. To the tick on the support line. How can you go wrong with the trading? Take the CL. And Mr. ES fell. This is your re-entry, 3085 fell. And let's see if it's going to try one more time. And on the scalping, let's see if we are sinking on that one. 3575. Nope, it's not. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, how accurate it is. Look at this, how accurate. And look at this. How can you go wrong with that? Huh? This is power. Okay, ES is about to hit target. And Mr. 007 here, ES is falling asleep. Nothing happening. And let's try one more time. See if this one gonna able to knock out that trade. Sold. Okay. Well, it was around $700 on that trade. There's always something to do with the scalping. You just manage it, break even, and it is really enjoyable trading. And now we are on a free ride on the 30-year Treasury bond. Get rid of it. Beautiful. And CL, I'm not expecting anything above 56.68. The Mr. Nasdaq here is a re-entry point at 82.3175. You can re-enter the Nasdaq long on 82.3175. This is a re-entry point. Okay, no more trades on the scalping. Well, it gets boring when there is no trade. All right, we're gonna have some trades probably. ES. No, on the ES we're done. CL, we are done. Hit target. And nothing on the scalping right now. Wow. There is only left a small piece, 30-year treasury bond, break even. And this is the support area here. Very nice. We can do that. And it is done. Again, re-entry point at 82.3225, 75 right now. Or you can put a buy order at 33 level even. Beautiful re-entry. Look at this baby. Right there. 33. And came to 33.50. You can put a limited order at 33 or 33.50. And this is a re-entry point. System calculated for you. And the system speaks itself. I'm gonna get fresh coffee. I'll be right back. this is where we have set an entry point at 33 level, and you can see how the market stopped at 33 level, and now it broke it, so there is no more entry. It's finished. And right to the fib line. Beautiful. Break it even. I'll leave one. I'm gonna break it even. I don't trust this market anymore. And the Nasdaq is about to hit the target. Okay. And take out this one. There we go. We have a 30-year Treasury bond. Hitting target. Breaking even. I don't care. And then we have it. Okay. This is a scalping, the white charts. Done. We only have two left. And then you're most welcome, Dion. It must be very late in Australia for you. There we go. Another round. That will be nice if we can. Again, 30, 80, 50 ES. Again, same problem. Ah. We have hit the target on the NASDAQ, but there is again the same number, 82.2350. That will be nice if we can break that one. If we break that one, we are going down to the 82.15. ES target hit right to the target. On the CL, if we can break that one here, 56.71, we're going direct to the 56.88 close position. There is buyers coming in. You can close it right now, the NASDAQ, or you can follow the trailing stop. Let's see what the ES is going to do. If we are going to break the 30.7925, that means we're going to test the 78.25. Now we need to break the 30.7925. Yeah, come on, baby. Break this one. 23.50. CL is having a problem with the 56.75. We've been talking about it for over half an hour. Let's see if we can break it. The target on NASDAQ is right at the fib line 2350. Very important to break this one. If we can break that one, we're going straight to 82.15. That will be very nice trade. CL is done. We're not going to get anything above the 56.74 at the moment. It's 11.27. Everybody is thinking about food, including myself. Lunch hour. Okay, let's see if we can break that one. It's right at the fib line, 2350. I'm gonna be closing ES above the Seems like Vito already fixed his lunch. Vito fixed his lunch already. Ah. Okay. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Look where the market stopped, right at your trailing stop. We're done with the ES. And we still have this NASDAQ. Close the first position. And let's close the second position. And let's close CL right at the fib. We knew was the, let's see. Closed NASDAQ. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. CL picked up a trade. Right there. And I'm not going to mess with it. Break even. We have a resistance line here. It's been all day long this problem at 56.74. Let's see if we can break it. They're trying to break it. You can see it's blinking. A lot of buyers coming in. That will be nice if we can break it. We're not. Right at the line. And we are gonna close this one. Let's wait to see if we can break that line, the 56.74. 30-year Treasury bond has been amazing today, nailing every single trade, breaking even, free ride, nice, and we're about to break that level. Come on, I'm bored. 56.82 I will take and close it at 56.83 on the CL. This is a nice, and then we picked up also. I mean, we can sit down all day long. We're not gonna be finished. And breaking even on the Russell. And come on, close this one here. we want to close the CL at 83 level. It's not doing it. We close it right here at 56.71 or 83. We got it surrounded, and my system increased the target. Thank you. I want to finish that trade, and now the system put it at 56.87. And it's going down. Lock a profit. I want to close that swing trade on the YM. I'm not interested. I'm gonna lock profit. Done. And we need the CL to close on the swing trading and the scalping. We are about to close. I love it. Mr. YM doesn't want to close. Okay, we'll keep it here. We have it right on the fib. Now the system getting it to 56.91. And on the scalper is 56.90. So there is one tick different between the swing and the scalping. Taking a little bit more. Because of the fib line, it's amazing how the 15 seconds chart are doing such a good job. It's right to the tick, everything. Amazing. And we are right now at CL swing trading 56.94, and the scalping took one more tick, calculating one more tick. The system is always trying to squeeze more ticks for you automatically. And if the market think the market is trending, it's going to increase the target itself. Now the CL, it jumped to the 97 close position. I'm not sure can do that. There is a lot of fib lines in there. And you know what? Okay, we're gonna close it at 56.97. And we picked up a few extra bucks in there on the YM and ES. We picked up a little bit more. I wanted to finish, and it's not letting me finish today. I'm thinking about food. I'm not thinking about trading anymore. Every time I say I want to go on a diet, I eat more than the other day. So we are going on Russell. We are about to break even. We take it here. I want to finish. And We take it to the second level support. I'm getting tight with it a lot. And the CL still insisting on getting more ticks out of that. ES. That's what it is. The scalper will never let you even go for lunch. I don't, so. And let's go ahead also tight up the NASDAQ. Let it be on the NASDAQ. I'm not going to mess with it. Good. We're done with the ES. Come on. And NASDAQ. Okay, it's an increase in the target. That means we have to stay longer time. Okay. Closed 1600 on the swing trading and close this one. Thank you very much. Done. And this one here, leave it. This one here, I want to close, and I want it to close. Trade, giving it a little bit. Please close. I don't feel like want to do anything anymore. I'm gonna make it very tight. And done. Thank you. We still have the NASDAQ to deal with. Russell, I want to close. I'm not interested anymore. And let's see if we can grab a couple 300 out of that last trade on the NASDAQ. Thank you very much. Done. I just want this NASDAQ. It's crying to close this one. In a way, I got them very close to each other. The YM closed on the swing trading. One trade 860. CL, we still on the swing trading. Wow, we have one losing trade and one winning trade. And it is 940 on the CL. We need to close this one. Please close. No. Okay. $82.40.25. Give it to me. Come on. I'm gonna tighten up the trailing stop. Okay. I can sit down and milk it all day long. I'm not gonna do that. I just want to close those positions. And the CL on the swing trading nailed 91 ticks based on one contract. You can see it's based on one contract, hit 90 ticks. For two contracts, it will be 180. And this is the final trade. Is the NASDAQ. This is maybe another $300 trade. $300 trade. 320. And we're gonna don't increase the target. Keep it at 42.25, please. No, 43. Now we raise the stake higher to 43.25. I just want to go for lunch, and now we are at 44. 43.75. We're gonna tighten up the stop, and we're gonna close at 340. Thank you. Lunchtime. For the Forex, we are up to 100 pips. And this is nice, the Forex. Maybe we will do some scalping on the Forex one day. But I will try to also on the T7. This is the latest auto trade we released. It's about to close position. And I'm testing those templates. And we will be covering those on Monday. And we will share this information with you on Monday for members only. No guests. And then close, come on, close position. And this is a really good trading. And I want to say thank you very much for today. If you like us, please give us a thumb up. That will keep us running on a YouTube. And if you don't give us a thumb up, we will not be on a YouTube anymore. So please give us a thumb up and on a YouTube. And I wish every trader a very, very nice weekend. We did superb job today. And I'm so happy that, this updates on the signals become a very success. And we will be covering much more to your direction. God bless you all, and I wish you a very pleasant weekend.